Two police officers are taking traffic speed measurements. One is 5 meters higher on an overpass. They both take two measurements of distance 1 second apart. The distance to the car is 300 meters from the police officer on the ground, and he records a change of distance over 1 second of 26.8224 meters. What speed reading is taken by the police officer on the overpass? To solve this problem, we will be using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This equation works for right triangles or triangles with one 90-degree angle. We can think of this problem as two right triangles, a blue triangle, which makes up the initial measurement from both the police officers, and an orange triangle, which makes up the second measurement from both police officers. The height of both triangles is 5 meters, the length is 300 meters for the blue triangle, and the orange triangle length is 26.8224 meters longer. Now to find the hypotenuse or longest side of the triangle, we can use the length of 300 meters and our height of 5 meters into the rearranged Pythagorean theorem problem to solve for c, or the longest side. So it is the square root of a squared plus b squared equals c. Doing so, we have a length of 300.042 meters for the hypotenuse of the blue triangle. Doing the same thing for the orange triangle with the same height of 5 meters and the length of 300 meters plus the distance traveled in 1 second of 26.8224 meters, we get a hypotenuse or longest side of 326.861 meters. Taking the difference of the hypotenuse of the orange triangle minus the hypotenuse of the blue triangle, we get the change in distance relative to the police officer on the overpass in meters per second, which happens to be 26.819 meters per second. So if you unfortunately got a speeding ticket from a cop on the overpass, the speed reading would be a little bit slower than your actual speed. Comparing these two speed readings, they are so close to one another that the height difference is negligible in this case. We get around 60 miles per hour for both officers. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.